Hello everyone. So, are you guys looking to learn Photoshop in an advanced level? So, if you're planning to learn Photoshop in an advanced level, then you are in the right place, okay? So, if you are just starting on or just getting the essential of Photoshop is, then you can just start on this kind of later, okay? First, learn the essential part of Photoshop, and then you guys can come here and you guys can attend the project based tutorials. So here in this particular class we'll be addressing to different effects, okay, and also we'll be learning about different projects like how you can make a flyer design, how you can make a business card design. So these are few of the advanced things which you'll be using. So let's see what all we'll be learning here in this particular Photoshop project based tutorial. So the first thing we'll be learning is I'll be showing you guys a project on creating a poster design in Photoshop. Okay, I'll be telling you how you can create some stunning posters. I have showed you guys by making one sports poster here. And after that, I'll show you guys a project on creating glowing lines in image. So I've showed you how you can actually mark one thing and make it look quite natural, that it just enhances the beauty of that image. I'll be showing you that you can use those things in your images as well. Okay, and after that there is another project on creating a flyer design. I'll show you guys how you can actually create some marketing design of flyers, okay, that how you can use that and how it will look quite stunning. And after that there is another project on creating neon light effect in images. Okay, so here I'll be showing you guys how you can create some neon light effect in images which are kind of dark. So neon light, it kind of looks good once the image is kind of dark, so it glows quite well.
It will be masked by the QRS complex. The normal duration of a QRS complex is 60 to 100 milliseconds. The higher the QRS complex, the stronger the contraction. This is simply the voltage. The higher the R wave of the QRS complex, the higher the voltage, and this indicates a stronger contraction. So remember, the QRS complex indicates the contraction of the ventricles, but it also hides the relaxation of the atrium. And then we have the ST interval, which is very important. The ventricular contraction will create the QRS complex, and the ventricular relaxation will create the T wave. And the period in between the contraction and the relaxation is very important. It is the ST segment, and it's a very sharp indicator of myocardial infarction or heart attacks. If this small segment increases or elevates or decreases as depression, it indicates myocardial infarction and must be thoroughly investigated. There are some other waves like the U wave, but these are very mild. We rarely see them, and you shouldn't worry about them as exam makers rarely ask about them. But very importantly, you need to know the boxes or the durations. These are very important in calculating the duration and the timing of each wave. Each small box is 40 milliseconds or 0.04 second. If you group 5 of them together, you will have a larger box, which indicates 0.2 seconds, and 5 larger boxes indicates 1 second. Another important rule is that the T wave duration should be less than half of that between the RR waves. The T wave should be tinted or slightly increased, and if it increases too much or peaks, or on the other hand if it flattens or straight out inverts, this can indicate potassium problems. Generally speaking, T wave is important in indicating cardiac toxicity, submedications, or arrhythmia. And these are all the important notes in reading the ECG.
So I do have two class projects, so let's look into that and what all class project we have. So here in class project 1, I will show you guys the steps of how to make a t-shirt design, which you guys will also be making and will be sending it to our project panel. Okay, and the class project number 2 is you'll be creating a transparent text effect. How to do that, each and everything you will show me and send us the PSD file into our system. So during this tutorial, if you guys face any kind of issues while learning or you guys don't understand any part, I'm always there to guide you guys, so you guys can reach out. And I hope to see you all in the first chapter of Adobe Photoshop project based tutorial.